Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about how you can upgrade your Windows 11 Home or Pro Edition to Windows 11 Enterprise or Education Edition without paying a single penny to anyone. So let's go ahead and proceed. Here in my settings menu, I have chosen the activation tab over here, and you can see right now I have Windows 11 Home Edition. So let's upgrade. Suppose we will go ahead and upgrade it to Windows 11 Enterprise Edition. Click on the Start menu and type CMD. You need to run CMD as an administrator. Here in CMD, you need to type few commands one by one. The very first command is to uninstall your previous product key of your Windows 11. So type here slmgr.vbs /upk, which means it will uninstall the current product key. Now once product key is successfully uninstalled, the next command that you need to type is this one. I'll share these commands in the description of this video. Simply copy and paste the command by pressing the Ctrl V button and then hit the enter key. Now the second command, copy and paste over here and then hit the enter key. Now in third command, copy and paste over here. After that, press the space icon to provide a space between the product key and the product key that we are going to enter. Now in the product key, you need to open your web browser, and here this is the official Microsoft website you can see right from here. And corresponding to this website, here are the different product key available for your Windows 10 edition. Now we are here to upgrade it to Windows 10 Enterprise. So here is the key for Windows 10 Enterprise. Select the key, right click and choose the option copy. Now in command prompt, paste the key by pressing the Ctrl V button and then hit the enter key. Now wait patiently and let this command works out for you so that your Windows 11 upgrade to Windows 11 Enterprise Edition. And here is the upgrade started right in front of you. Make sure friends you watch the complete tutorial, else you will not able to fully upgrade it to Windows 11 Enterprise Education or Pro Edition. Now here is the error code that you got. The error code is Windows upgrade failed, error code 0x80070490. Now here is the next step that you need to perform so that your upgrade from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Enterprise will be successful. Click on the close button, close the command prompt. Now close any open windows in front of your system. Now in order to upgrade your Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Enterprise, simply click on the Start menu and restart your system. As I said, make sure just restart your system after closing each and every file that is opening in your Windows 11 Home Edition so that you can upgrade it to Windows 11 Enterprise Edition. And you can see the updates are underway. So just be patient and wait for it. Now the Windows is fully restarted. Now let's go ahead and check in my settings menu whether I have successfully upgraded to Windows 11 Enterprise from Windows 11 Home or not. In settings menu, whenever I choose the activation tab, you can see now my Windows is successfully upgraded to Windows 11 Enterprise Edition by using a simple product key which is provided directly by the Microsoft to upgrade it to Windows 11 Enterprise Edition. Now the issue is with the active state. Currently it is showing that the status is not active. In order to activate, either you need to purchase the product key directly from the Microsoft Store, or else you can buy product key at very cheap rates directly from the website, which I'll show you right over here. You can see the product key is of just $44 from this particular website, and it is 100% genuine, so you do not need to worry whether the cheap keys are safe or not. I'll share the link of this website also in the description of this video, so that you can buy one product key for yourself in order to activate your Windows 11 Enterprise Edition directly from the Microsoft. So this is how you can upgrade your Windows 11 Home Edition to Windows 11 Enterprise or Pro Edition, depending upon the type of key you used while upgrading to Windows 11. This is all about it, friends. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Keep watching Lotus Geek, friends. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.